Professor Jilis Ahmed. Today we study third unit topic harmony in family, society and nature. हार्मोनी means सुसंवाद फॅमिलीमध्ये सुसंवाद कसा the basic unit of human interaction values in the human to human relationship. Harmony in the society, vision for the universal human order, harmony in the nature, realizing existence as coexistence at all. These are the content of this unit. Harmony in the family. You can see this is the harmony. सुसंवाद किती चांगला आहे. This is considered as a family of the elephants. How they are living happily, they are living together. Okay. This is also harmony in the family. They are living so happy. Though they are bored, having a simple bike, they are connected with each other. See the happiness on their faces. Okay, this is the harmony. Susamvat. If there is no harmony, they cannot sit together in this manner. Family. All living objects, especially human and elements, are surrounded by relations. We have a number of relations: brother, sister, father, dad, father, mother. A number of relations are there: grandfather, grandmother, niece. Okay, we are surrounded by relations. The bonding between close group is sometimes known as family. After the bonding is there, that is family. Many a times close group form take shape with the passage of time and this time. Many times close group form take shape and with the passage of time disappear. For such group which disappear, we can't use the word family. A family is a social group characterized by common residence, economics, cooperation, and reproduction, said by Mark Bloch. Family is a set of people living together, attached each other with blood relations. Most of the time, it is a blood relation. This is heterogeneous in nature and starts with marriage followed by reproduction of generation, supported by economic and social bonds. Function of family. What are the functions of family? The family set of people. Okay. Extension of family. It is one of the function of the family. काय काम है family? Extend by family by way of reproduction. Basic need of healthy society to extend the family. Turn support society in many ways. Children care is also one of the function of the family. Focus focus children care is the function. Focus should be to provide a healthy environment to kids to grow and proper education to them, educate to them to survive in this world. Economy maintain the economy. Safety and fundamental need should be balanced. There should be a balance between earning and spending. Old age caring, old generation needs support and caring. Caring the present generation is because of them. They need to care the old people in our house, the responsibility of their health, food, shelter, and other related activities. Physical protection, safeguard for each other by family member against any possible attack, as well each family take care of protection. Cultural and religious functions, responsibility of the head of the family to teach moral, cultural, and religious aspect to all members. Okay, this is the responsibility of the head of the family. Okay, this helps in creating the family heritage and customs. Types of families on the basis of marriage: polygamous, polyandrous, monogamous family. You see that the nature of residence: matrilocal residence, patrilocal residence, changing residence, ancestry or descent family, ancestry or descent family. Matrilineal family, patrilineal family, size of structure and depth of the generations. Nuclear family, joint family, nature of relations. Conjugal family, consonant types, type of family on the basis of family. Type of family on the basis of family. Polygamous. Polygamy is a form of marriage in which a person has more than one spouse at the same time. When a man has more than one wife, the relation is called polygamy. Polyandrous. When a woman has more than one husband, it is called polyandry. Monogamous, most of the time, is referred to single spouse family. The basis of nature of residence. Multilocal. Husband residing with wife's parent after marriage. Husband residing with wife's parent. We always say ghar jamai. Patrilocal. Man remains in his father's house after uh, reaching maturity and brings his wife to live with his family after marriage. Changing residence. Keeps on changing their residence after marriage. They are not specific to one place and stay away from. On the basis of ancestry or descent family. Matrilineal family follows its ancestry and runs through the maternal mother's line rather than paternal line. Patrilineal family. A patrilineal is literally a father's line. One's patrilineal is one father's and his brothers and on the basis of size or structure and the depth of generations. Nuclear family, joint family, complex family, harmony in family relations. Family, family feud dispute can cause depression, anxiety, sleeplessness, loss of appetite, sadness, confusion. These are the result of the family dispute. So harmony is disturbed. There are some tricks to avoid dispute. We should know our responsibilities very clearly without overlapping with others. This nature will bring a sense of belongingness in the family. Parents are responsible for family relations. Parents are real role model for the kids. They look at them. The great hope, their well-being depends largely on parents. Children need strong emotional support along with the adequate monetary support. The wording like "Don't worry, my son, work hard, we are with you" can bring wonderful results. Healthy family environment is essential requirement for a well-need family. Learn to respect each other's thoughts. Now, dreams are very important for every person, but not the cost of the family, but not at the cost. Idea should be acceptable to them. The majority of family members try to convince not to impose. This will help you a lot in long-term relations. Total harmony is depend on social harmony, family harmony, the basic family harmony is the basic foundation on which the entire edifice of social harmony is built. pay respect, get respect. These are the various values. Okay, we'll stop here.